So if you're looking to create an email ID in your Telegram application, you've landed on the right video. So without any further ado guys, let's aim this tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Telegram application, because some features will only be available in the latest version of the application. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store and search for Telegram, just as so. And you want to click on the application. Alright, so once you sure that the application is updated, just as in my case, just want to click on this open button right here, which should take you directly to Telegram. And now from here you need to search for a bot that is going to let us, or that is going to give us access to temporary emails. And few of you should be familiar with this temporary email service, and it is definitely the popular and the best email service that you can rely on out there. 100% legit and no scams with it. So you just want to just click on that search icon in the Telegram application and search for temp mail, just as so. And you should see this official bot here. Okay, just want to click on that official bot, which should take you to this screen. Okay, as you see, the bot is from the official temporary email service. So you just want to click on the start here. It should be starting your case, and there you go. You should be given a temporary email address just instantly. Alright, you can open the email address in your browser, you can access it in your browser, or you can even use it right here in Telegram. So let's test this email to see if it is actually working. Right, so I just paste in that email just as so, and then I can just say something like this, and then hi there, this is tutorials, just something basic to test whether the email works well. So I'll just send that email, and it has been sent. So from here, just want to go back to this Telegram bot right here. Okay, and then you have to just tap on this refresh button. Okay, if you see that the email hasn't, or the email box is still empty, you should see the message come up right here, just as so. You can see new email message from Beans Gaming, subject hello, and here you can only open the email in your browser. Okay, so if you tap this on your browser, you should be shown this link, and then you just want to click on that open. You should create a unique token for your email address that you generated earlier via the bot. Most of you should be familiar with this terminal service. I just want to scroll right onto the bottom of the page here. You will see the inbox right here, so just click on that to confirm that the email actually is what we sent. And there we have the email. Okay, you can see the subject hello and the message hi there, this is Aim Tutorials, which is just what I sent from my Gmail address. In case you want a different email address, you can just create, or you can generate and delete your former email address, which will give you a new email address. Okay, you can use this temporarily just as you did with the old one, and the old email address that you used was or has been deleted. Alright, so this service is ideal for anyone that wants to create email addresses for subscriptions or testing purposes, and it should work with any user, anyone, okay, as long as you have a Telegram account. Right guys, that's how you get to create an email ID in the Telegram application. Again, this one should work whether you're on Android, iOS, or even on your PC. And if you actually found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss upcoming updates. I'll catch you in the next episode.